Hey guys, back again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a challenge, and in this challenge I'm going to be drinking a whole 2 liter of Diet Coke and trying not to burp, and we're gonna see how that goes. First things first though, I have to go get the Coke. Wait, I have a better idea. This will be a lot easier. Oh, like magic! Holy crap, where'd that come from? Alright, here in a minute I'm going to be attempting to drink this whole thing without burping. First though, I have to go get someone to record me, so I will be back in just a sec. Alright, finally I got a filmer, so here we go. This is going to be my Diet Coke challenge. I'll crack it next to the camera so you guys know I'm not cheating. Wait, you gotta be careful. I want it spraying everywhere. Okay, we got it open. I guess I may as well just go to town. This is gonna be hard because I've never even drank a whole 2 liter by myself in the first place, and trying not to burp on top of it is gonna be ridiculous. It's gonna be rough. This is my first drink. I already got a burp. Oh Jesus! It's like right here. It's just trying to leak out. Don't burp! Don't burp! You can't end this early. I have so much pressure in my stomach. Is holding burps in bad for you? You don't know? I don't know either. Hopefully not, because, geez, I'm probably gonna die if it is. Oh, God. Ow. 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 My insides are hurting. Oh, I don't know if I can do it. Nope, nope, nope. No, that was not gonna happen. Holy crap. I feel like my stomach was gonna blow up. I barely put a dent in that. Was that a big burp? Ah, geez. Yeah. I figured that was gonna be really hard anyways, but I thought I'd give it a go. Well, that was my attempt. We post some more videos, so stay tuned, subscribe, like, and leave a comment and tell me what you thought. Give me some ideas. Young Shenanigans out.